If you are one of our social media members and you're wanting to learn how to use the Canva templates, that is what I'm going to show you today. First, we're going to start on your dashboard when you first log into Streamline Marketing Pro, and then go on the left-hand side menu and scroll down to Template Suite. This is going to take you to our suite that has all of our templates for all the social media, the flyers, anything that we offer within this monthly membership. You can find it within the template suite. Up here at the top, these will help direct you to the type of content that you're looking for. We're going to go ahead and click on education. And then any of these, you can click the use template right below the image. You can also toggle to multiple images if it's a carousel post. We're going to go with this one. This is going to bring you up to a Canva link where it allows you to click edit template, and it's going to bring you into the Canva system. Now, no matter if you have a free account or a pro account, all of these templates should work for you, and you can come in here and customize this however you like. You can change the background photo, you can change the fonts. You definitely want to change to your photo by clicking here, and then if we go you would want to upload yours here. But just to show you how to switch out a photo, we can drag and drop into this oval right here. Easy as that. So upload your photo here and then drag and drop. Also, you'll want to change the text here to whatever your handle is, or if you want to put your website instead. And then make sure each page doesn't have any other information you need to change. Some of the templates will have an additional handle or website text down at the bottom. We'll go down to the last page. Again, here's my photo, so let's drag and drop the same one. And this is pulling the no background. So that is the one thing that Canva will require you to have Pro in order to remove a background. So if you don't have Pro, you can either upload an image where there's no background behind you, or you can just go ahead and pull this first image up here, copy and paste that down here instead of having the image outside of the frame. So go ahead and change this text down here to your personal handle or website, and that's it. All you have to do is go up here in the top right hand corner, click share, and then click download. This will allow you to decide what type of format you want to use when you download, and then you can select which pages or all of them and then download. Easy as that. Then you can go into our Streamline Marketing Pro social media calendar and plan out all of your social media for the month. And that's it. There you go. Let me know if you have any questions, and check out all of our other how-to videos on how best to utilize Streamline Marketing Pro.